Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Thanks very much to those who played lunch. We made it with the banker 15. Also, when I'm in the farms, you'll hear kids crying, cows, lions, birds, and everything. So I think you guys are gonna enjoy the background of the cats, chickens, cows, lions, buffaloes, everything. In the countryside. Okay, cool. So, guys, let's stick to business now. We're going to pick a banker now. Let's do this first. I'm going to go through with you guys from court to court, getting the banker there, and then we move. So the banker there at that one is 21. My bankers, they never lie. Banker 21. The first banker is 21. But now, because this lady is very intelligent, if she sees that this banker has been played so much, she'll say 20. It's Helen, remember, 1. Do you see that it's tricky? 21. Then the second banker here, second banker is what? Is 14. This one I'm 100% sure about it. I don't even have to. Third banker, because 15 did become a bonus. 15 is the banker. Okay, cool. So now we're starting to break our codes. So the first code says to us 138. Let's see there. Do you see that? So if we are having 138, we're going to say 13 plus 8. We're going to get a what? A 21, which is accurate. 13 minus 8, we're going to get a what? A 5. But I would also prefer you guys to play this number, 13-8, also in Betway, just in case. And then if you go down there, you'll see that there's a 38. So which means, for example, you can say 5, 21, 38. Then because it's Helen, she likes to do like this, 3, 18. Let's also include what? 3, 18. Or she can say 1, 38, 20. Running away from what? Running away from 21. That's what these guys are doing. Let me see. Let's see something that I wanted to check here. 32, 38. I just want to check something quickly before we jump over to the other side. Okay, 45. Okay, cool. Because I need to be sure exactly of what is happening there. Okay, so let's go maybe to code number 2. Then we're going to do the pairing. 145. Normally 145 code gives us a 15 there. If we say 14 plus that, it gives us a 19. So as you can see, the 14 is picked, is a banker. Then if you're going to say 5 minus 14, that's a 9. So 9, 19, 15, maybe she can do that. Or she can hit this combo. 15, 19, 21. 9. Just imagine if that number comes. 15, 19, 21, 9. I prefer to play it that way. And then there's always something that I forget sometimes. For example, the first chord was 138. 1 plus 3 plus 8. Because that should be an 11 plus that is a 12, which is going to spin and say 21. So I'm correct with 21 banker. 21 is the banker. 1 to 49, both draws. But Betway should be 15 because this code is 145. Then either way, if you say 1 plus 45, that will give you 46. This is another number that you must put an eye on. But it did drop on Betway last night, on drive time last night. So which means there's another chance of this one coming back. But you guys, you must know that Helen, normally she loves to hit this number, 29. There's a reason why I'm going to say, you guys, you can say 29, 38, 29, 32, 29, 38, 25. Let me also write down this number. 29, 38, 25. 29, 38, 32. Okay, perfect. Then we're almost at the edge of the video now. So let's do singles. And then we're going to do the pairing. It's a 38. My singles, they'll never lie. You guys, you've seen 15, 21. And should I include a 10? Let me say 45 instead. And then there should be another number that is pending, 29. And then did I put a 15? And then 10 instead. Then maybe let me pick one strong one. 38. Do you see? So now we've got your what? Your singles, you've got your pinkers. You can just go up with the mix up and check. Maybe you can make it. But I realized something about these guys, especially on tea time. You know what they do? They do swap the pairing apps. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, let me just leave the WhatsApp details here. WhatsApp group. Come and join the WhatsApp group and purchase the books. The books, I always tell you guys, it's a PDF. You know, so you don't have to necessarily get a hard copy PDF book of strategies. Simple, straightforward. You just strategies. You follow the link at the first comment of this video, then you're gonna be sorted. Okay, this is what I've done. So let's go to the pairing app. Now here's the tricky about the pairing app. You open the pairing app, the 49s. I hope you guys have this. So what you do, you come here, you change and say tea time, and then the other one says lunch. So these guys, instead they swap. So we're going to say lunch. I know lunch is past, but now this is what they do. You go to lunch, then you click there, you go to the triplets. We're going to look for 21. Where's 21? Actually we start with the 14. Do you see this 14? We start here. So you're going to check, you track your numbers. As you can see, there's a 14, there's a 17. This is the number that is trending in the middle. If you check again, there's 22. If you check again, there's 24. So you're gonna be wondering, where does 24 come from? Then you say 14, 24. It's just something that I'm trying to show you guys. Then you go to 21. 21, definitely they did hide 21. So if they hide 21, which means it's a strong short pink, because it's 19, 20, 23. Then what you do, you're going to come here, analyze 100. You click there and make it 150. If you make it 150, then you need to stretch up all those numbers. Then you're gonna go to 21. Where is 21? Do you see? Still, these guys, they're hiding this 21. So the number that we are sure of here is 21, 38, 41, or 21, 38, 14. I got them. So it's 21, 38, 41. 21, 38, 14. Let's stretch again and make it maybe 100 and 250. You keep stretching. Then you see when you say 250, it will definitely give you 21, 28. But what you can do, you can say 21, 45 instead of 28, because these guys, they're so clever. They will just make sure that the middle number does not appear. Then what happens is that. So yeah, guys, those who are having a pairing app, you can just try your lucky. Or even though you can even swap it again to T. You see, even on T, the 21 is 1. But now it will give you different pairs, 30 and 40, which is to confuse the enemy. They're confusing you. You won't see, like, what are these guys doing? So yeah, guys, I'm done with this video. I'm going to upload Mega Millions. Today I have in Mega Millions. That's where there is jackpot. For you guys to reach 1 million, you have to play at least 4 numbers with 5 friends. You're going to hit 500,000. You can go check on the app, Yesplay or Betway. You will see that there's that kind of money waiting for you. So this is UK49. I'm done. Guys, come and join my WhatsApp group, and also come and get the purchase the books for yourself. Because remember, I told you today it's Helen. I want to show you the trick of where. Okay, it's Helen. Remember, we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. So 5 is our joint. It's either 5 will drop, or they now say 5 plus 19 to give them what? A 24. 5 minus 19, that will give them a 14. So that's why I'm sure that the 14 is coming. Either way, she'll hit 1421 or 145, just to confuse the enemy. Thank you very much, guys. Brilliant. I'll meet you again then with a Mega Million.